Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, today, we are going to create partition on Windows 10 on your hard drive. So let's do it. Right-click on Windows icon and click on Run, or press Windows key plus R. Now here we need to type disk mgmtmsc. Once you type disk mgmtmsc, click on OK, and new window will appear like this, which we called it disk management. Now here we can see our hard drive as disk 0. We can see system reserved C drive and others. Then select which hard drive do you need to create partition. In my PC there are 2 hard drive I had installed. Okay, whatever, just leave the system reserved and health recovery partition. Just look bigger drive and select it and right click on it and click shrink volume. It starts squaring shrink space. It will take few minutes. I want to create a 5 gigabytes, so I just have to mention it in megabytes. So 1024 megabytes equal to 1 gigabyte. So I mention 5000 megabytes. I will click on shrink. I can see an allocated space here, so we need to format this drive to create the partition. So just do a right click on it, click on New Simple Volume, and new wizard will come. This wizard helps you create a simple volume on a disk. Click on Next. On Next. And here we can assign a letter. Next. Select NTFS. Next. Click on Next. Now the moment you do it, new volume, a new edition has been created. And here we go. So guys, if you find this video useful, please hit the like and subscribe button. I need your support.